So let's talk about the objectives for this course. Number one, we want to have a working understanding of the different types of chatbots and the advantages and disadvantages for each. Number two, we want to understand the high-level architecture of a conversational application and know how different components work together to manage a dialogue and achieve a goal. Number three, we want to gain experience coding out a chatbot end-to-end in Python from ideation to conversation. Number four, understand the text pre-processing pipeline, data creation process, entity recognition, dialogue management, knowledge base use, and the model evaluation process. And to do this, we will be going over the following 8 modules, including the current one. Section 1, Introduction to Conversational Agents and Course Overview. Section 2, Domain, Intent, Entity, and Role Hierarchy. Section 3, Dialogue Managers and Dialogue State Handlers. Section 4, Creating the Knowledge Base and Using the Question Answer. Section 5, Training Data Generation, Labeled Queries, and Entity Mapping. Section 6, Data Preprocessing, Introducing the Text Preparation Pipeline. Section 7, Training the Natural Language Processing Classifiers. And finally, in Section 8, we'll go over multi-domain architectures, review the course, and discuss the final project. Now for this course, we will be using MindMeld. MindMeld is a powerful and easy-to-use Python-based open-source conversational agent platform that enables users to create custom applications. It was introduced in EMNLP and is currently acquired and maintained by Cisco. Unlike other alternatives like Google Dialogflow, Raza, Amazon Lex, etc., MindMeld is easier to learn, free, and does not require the setup of cloud storage. MindMeld itself is a hybrid rule-based approach, which is preferred typically by the industry. Here's a bird's eye view of the overall MindMeld architecture. You see a number of components that fall underneath the category of natural language processor. These include the domain and intent classifiers, entity recognizers, role classifiers, the entity resolver, and the language parser. We'll go into each of these components throughout the course. We also see some external components such as the application manager, which is responsible for handling the overall interactions. It's kind of its own container. And then you have the dialogue manager, as well as the question answer, which refers to a specific knowledge base where some data could be stored, could be restaurants, it could be information about employees, or anything else that may be relevant to the current application. Now in this course, we'll be building out an example application. And this is provided by the MindMeld documentation, but we'll kind of be rebuilding it and going over each of the steps while recreating it. So this application is called Kwik-E-mart, and it essentially allows us to answer the question, what time does the Kwik-E-mart on Elm Street close today? So you can ask about different stores nearby and when they close. And there's a few more applications as well, but we'll get into that as we continue the course. I'm really excited to have all of you in this course and to go over this exciting material. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in Module 2.